Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you this yogi tea I have at home year round. I really appreciate the ingredients Yogi Breathe Deep has. This has a combination of licorice and thyme that can be super soothing whenever you're fighting a cold or a flu. This tea is great to support respiratory health, and we have it at home most of the time. This is super easy to make as well. You just boil the water and you add the tea bag lid in and sit for a couple of minutes. I really love yogi tea and all their variety of teas. You can even carry this in your purse or whenever you're traveling. This tea is not only great for your health, but the flavor is delicious as well. My husband and I love yogi tea. We love the natural ingredients, the fact that it's organic, and we also appreciate that we can either enjoy this tea hot or cold. But that's just our point of view.